Where?
Shahid, Bhartiya.
Hi Bharti, how are you?
I'm good.
Long time, how have you
Yeah,
been?
I'm good.
Awesome.
Working with your dad. I want to know about that. And of course, my friend Aman.
Have you ever worked with your... Acha, you put Aman and my dad together. These are very different people with two very different experiences I've had. So, have you ever worked with your dad? I know, but I'm asking you. थोड़ा फायदा होता है अगर आपको कुछ experience नहीं. It's very scary to work with your dad, especially when he is an actor. Oh, I have to tell you a nice fun story, okay? So this scene you saw where he's having tea and me and him are talking to each other and he says, "Oh, ground shoot gaya," and all right. So that was his first day of shooting. And I had shot about 15 days with Gautam, and I felt he's very happy with me as a director, and I'm bringing something fresh to this role and whatever. And so we started the scene, and for some reason, Gautam took his shot first, because we're against each other. So either the camera's behind me or behind him. So he took his shot first, right? And my dad did the take, and suddenly I saw Gautam's expression has changed. Okay, so I looked at him. I said, "What happened, man?" Like, and he very serious. He went up to dad and he said, "Outstanding, sir. We're moving on." Then he walked into a corner alone. So I walked behind him. I was like, "What's going on here?" I got a little nervous. So I said, "Kya hua, Gautam sir? Kya hua?" So he says, "Sir, I'm very concerned." I said, "What happened?" "You'll be able to match his performance in your shot because he's outstanding. People will not look at you. You better be very good in the shot." So that's how my dad is. And so I don't think I need to explain my experience any further. It's pretty nerve-wracking working with him. But it's also a pleasure working with him, because if you're an actor at heart... Sorry? I'm not intimidated by him. Intimidation is the wrong word. When you have so much respect and regard for somebody, you really want to be able to do your best. And like I was saying, if you're an actor at heart, it's amazing standing in the frame with a great actor and seeing them do something, regardless of whether he's my father or not, right? This is about two people standing in the frame as actors. That's what that's about. And it's just amazing seeing what he's doing with his craft and trying to react to it honestly and learning from it, So I would want to work with people like him when I worked with Irfan sir, when I worked with Tabu ma'am or KK sir, or any of these people. These are phenomenal actors. Being in the frame with them is like learning how to act. And eventually that's what we're here to do. I mean, I've been doing this for almost 20 years now, but there's so much to learn, and so it's great to learn. It's very scary when you feel like you are the best thing in whatever that you're doing. It's very scary because what are you going to gain out of it? You're going to gain nothing. So I think it's a privilege for me to get to share, screen space with actors of his caliber. And we're very fortunate to have him for the film. Aman was so scared to offer him the role, so I know. And with regard to Aman, me and Aman have known each other for, 18 years now? We've known each other for like 14, 15 years. The first time I saw Aman was when there was a marketing meeting for Jab We Met. And this dude walked in, he had a French beard at that time and used to take himself very seriously. He's chilled out a lot more now. Life does that to you. As you get older, you don't take yourself seriously anymore. So it's, I think, happened to me and him. And so we've known each other for a very long period of time. And I am very happy for Aman because I have waited for something big to happen in my life. And this is his first film, Hindi film, as a producer. It is? Mic pe bolna. Say it's my first film as a Hindi film producer. This is not Aman at all. You have to see him when the cameras are not on. He's the loudest guy in the room, okay? He's just shy right now. So I want to say, like, I'm the happiest for Aman because, I've waited for him to get a big opportunity and to go out there and express himself as a creative person. And so I think, like, it's amazing that we got to do this together and we started our journey together. And I wish him all the best for his entire career. He's one of the best producers that I've ever worked with, if not the best producer that I've worked with. I've had a great time working with him.
I agree.
Thank you, sir.